All right. That day is coming soon. Amen. Mashiach breaking through the clouds. Everyone that's waiting for him, praising his name. It says in the scriptures that we know exactly what our people will say. It will be Hebrew, of course. Baruch haba, b'shem Adonai. Blessed are you, Lord. Blessed is the one who's coming in the name of the God of Israel. You know, that's important for us Jews to reflect on because, well, our people, my people, you know, they're not looking for Jesus Christ. Did you notice? I mean, we kind of know it's the same person, but you know what I'm talking about here. But if it's Baruch haba b'shem Adonai, the one who comes from the God of Israel, Yeshua, that's a different story for a lot of us. And there are tens of thousands, some say about 200,000 Jews today who love Yeshua and continue to be Jews. That's what Messianic Judaism is. Amen. And it's just going to keep growing. I have a feeling there's going to be some growth this high holiday season. There always seems to be.